Ready? Lights. Camera. Camera. Oh, it's coming. Lights. Camera. 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 We got A roll. And we're going to run B roll. A roll and B roll running together. Okay, A roll and B roll, and guess what? It is today is Tuesday. Tuesday, April 3rd. Yes? What's this? Ah, the surface of Mars! No! That's something else. That's where I'm going to glue a mirror, just like this one. This has a mirror. See the mirror? Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so A roll and B roll. Here we go. Music fact for everyone. See, A roll, B roll. All right, here we go. Today's Tuesday, Beans. That's right, today's Tuesday. You know what Tuesdays are? This was the first. This was the second. This is the third. I think today's Tuesday. Yes. The Dorian Mode. Dorian Mode. There's our color. Wearing the color. Ooh. Wearing the color of the day. Black. Right here. Because check it out. See? This right where A440, right there, it begins and it's black. It starts turning, looks like still like purple, like violet, but it's the other end. It's dark, 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 dark brown. Okay? Dark, dark, dark. And then starts turning red when we start getting into the note C, which is, check this out. The color, the frequency of the light of the note C is 523, 251, 1306. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. 523, 251. Oh, I got it wrong. See, it's hard to see. It's hard to see, but it's, hundreds, 306, yeah, so it's actually 1, 2, 3. There's something wrong there. Oh, that's not the light. That's 440, A440, and you'd use this, multiply it, okay, by this number here, this ratio, that ratio right there, okay, and, okay, see, that gives you the frequency of the note. So B is 493.88330 13 hertz. That's what I was reading it wrong. See, that is the frequency of the note, not the light. You want to find out what the frequency of that color is? Well, you know what? You can look it up. But that's long wavelength. That's the short wavelength, and it's right there on the internet. You can look it right up. Okay, so now, but you could also take this frequency right here, that one. Okay? And you multiply it by this number right here, okay, that one, the top one, that one, and then you take and add the results to it, okay, so let's see for 440, okay, 440 plus 440 times this number plus this number equals 466.137615 hertz. Do that number, but multiplied by this number, and you get this note, this frequency. Take this one, multiply it by that one, and then add them together, and you get this one. Okay? So it creates a cumulative value. By the time you go all the way around, okay, by the time you go all the way around, you're back at 880, or in the case of you start at 483, 15 digits. 483, 85, 116, 221, 440. once you go all the way around and do that, you're at twice this, which is then you're at beyond infrared. I mean beyond ultraviolet. You start before infrared and end up in ultraviolet, and you actually only get 6 notes. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 notes chromatically. Okay? And that's it. Anyway, today's mode is the B flat Dorian mode. B flat Dorian mode starts here. I got this name, an old master Jukes, alphabetized, ADEJKLMNORISTUZA, laying over the notes, and we start here. The notes, names of the notes are B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, and B flat. There it is. Okay. So now what we're going to do is pick up a guitar, of course, like usual. Oh no, we got to show you on a keyboard here. Here's the keyboard. All right. Ooh, watch this. Here, we'll just go. Okay, so yes. Okay. Alrighty? Now, let's put an instrument in my hands. See, so, because see how that one went down inside there? They get stuck. So you can either drill them bigger or cut a notch. I cut a notch. So that's how he fixed it so that they don't do that. But that one did it anyway on the E string, so oh well. But anyway, so yeah, see all these cracks and stuff? I was thinking about putting lightning bolts on it and whatever. Ow. But, so, anyway. Let's check our tuning. Ooh, we've tuned this one today. This one should be close. What's this? Oh, it's a magnet. It's a magnet. Okay. We'll pause B-roll for a minute. I mean A-roll. Okay. A-rolling. All right. Anyway, so here we go. Here is the. Let me lower this down. I need to fix this. I know what to fix it in a hurry, wouldn't it? It would be that right there. Okay, there we go. All right, how are we looking? All right, we want to point this down a little, like that, so we can still see the page. All right, there we go now. All right, we want to learn the B flat Dorian mode. There's B flat right there. C. D flat, E flat, F, got this backwards. See, these need to be down here, and those need to be up here, like this. Okay, so let's go like this and do this. So A flat, B flat, C, D. D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. There's a ledger line, and you'd have right above the ledger line the next one, A flat, B flat. Okay? Imagine the ledger line there. Okay? Yeah, I got a piece of paper I can pin under it. How about that? There we go. Let's make a ledger line. A leisure line. Okay? There we go. Just like that. That's a good representative. Alright, there we go. Now we can continue with A flat, okay, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, and finally B flat. Okay, so that's basically, so let me show you next a chord. Let me show you the major chord, the A flat minor chord. Now B flat, did I say A flat? I said A flat, didn't I? B flat minor is the tonic chord of the B flat Dorian mode. So if you were counted up like this, you'd go tonic chord, tonic, supertonic, submedian, subdominant, dominant. And then you get your wait a minute, I lost my place. I lost my place. It happens. I don't know, it's hot in here. Oh, you can put a fan on or something. Anyway, where was I now? All right, let's try it. From the B Dorian mode, B minor tonic, C minor supertonic, D flat major with the submedian, then E flat major becomes the subdominant, then we get F minor is the median, okay, then G diminished is the leading tone, no, G diminished would be the median. See, I'm getting confusing myself. It happens. Because we're looking for the Dorian mode. So this would have to be the median, so that way the A flat can be the leading tone, and finally arriving at the B minor, the Dorian mode, back at the tonic. So it's tonic, supertonic, submedian, subdominant, dominant, median, leading tone, tonic. Okay? So we can Alright, that's a nice Saturdays. Yeah, so but today's Tuesday. Put in tomorrow, put in today, and then we'll be thinking about Saturday again. Alright, so now that's pretty good. We made a song out of it, showed you the chord. But let me go through and I will show you the chords in the key of, we can call them the key, the B flat Dorian. So we start with B flat. Alright. Let's see it down here in the bass clef too. Okay. B flat. Right here. Boom. 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 Okay, there's B flat in the bass clef. There's B flat and treble clef. Okay? Everybody got that? Huh? C, B flat in the bass clef. C, and then C, B flat, the treble clef. C, okay now. So, let's use our modes to make a song. Okay? So we got our little microphone set up, which we need to fix the mic stand. So holding it with a screwdriver. Okay. Better be careful where you go. Space. 'Cause there's places you don't know. They will melt your face. Just making these up. There's something you should know. When you travel in space, be careful where you go, 'cause there's places that will melt your face. Oops, wrong key. Oh, but guess what? See, you can do that because first of all, there are no rules. All the theory ever does, which we're actually fact now because it's provable. It's proven by science. We do it by math. We have instruments. We can see the vibrations. We know how it all works. Okay, so it's not theory anymore. Just like gravity waves, not theory anymore. Still don't know what they are, what they look like. You know, they could be tiny little jazz hands for all we know. Cubes, squares, spheres, whatever. But anyway, the bottom line is that there's beans. There she is. The light of my life. The apple in my eye. Yes, she is. Okay, so anyway. Yeah, see how that works. We pause and start and pause. Start and stop, pause, A roll, and edit A roll, and B roll goes unedited, except for maybe if I accidentally say a boo-boo word. Anyway. Alright, so now, let's make a song. Let's go ahead and we'll do tracks. We'll do multiple tracks. We'll put them out there, upload each one, okay? And we'll upload an A roll and a B roll, so you have two audios of each one, so you can create a delayed effect too by pulling up a new window. So you use each. You can pull up a new window for each track, and then also pull up a tab that you can have running for a delayed whatever, and you can mix the volumes of each one, and so you'll be able to mix it. And I'll demonstrate it. So, but the way it starts is, everything starts on 0. When I hit 0, this is 0-point energy demonstration, by the way. The power of 0-point energy. In this case, we're going to use it to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, there's something you should know. When you travel out in space, there's places you could go where they will melt your face. There's something you should know. When you travel out in space, there's places you could go that will melt your face. Alright, this is where the lead guitar comes in. Wagging her tail, huh? Yeah, I got her wagging her tail. Switch the chord, 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 switch the chord. Change chords. See, not following the pattern. What do you mean I'm not following the pattern? Yeah, bitch, you're not following the pattern. Hey, you said, you called me, you said the word bitch on TV. Hey, I can say anything I want. No, you can't. You can't say anything you want. Yes, I can. I can say anything I want. I'm an invisible man, remember? Hey, just because you're invisible doesn't mean you can say anything you want. It does too. I can do anything I want. I'm invisible. You said the invisible man, everybody. Okay. For real, but this time, see, I destroyed it by pausing that camera. We got the 2 cameras, we're going to have A-roll and B-roll work. Okay? And have it work. Can't pause one. Can't pause them from this point. So let's start over. 5, 4, 3. Ready, Beans? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, there's something you should know. When you travel out in space, there's places you could go that'll melt your face. Beware where you go when you travel out in space. You don't want to go nowhere that will melt your face. Now guitar solo. Time for a rhythm change. Okay, let's call that good. We're going to upload both of these. They'll be online. And when they get online, we're going to use them, play them back. We'll play back through headphones so that we get a nice, clean, clear track. And then we'll put in another one, and we just keep doing that, playing with the headphones. I got to make a long extension cord or something and figure out how to get headphones over here. Anyway, but yeah, so we'll do, I know what I'll do. Ooh, that's what we can do. We'll play back. I've got another device I'll record. There it is. That's it. That's how we will do it. Okay. All right. I'm going to pause. I'm going to stop B-roll now. A-roll. Stopping A-roll. What do you say? Oh, yeah. We stop them both. That's what to do. Stop them both. Upload them both. Then we have our own. We can use them as effects track and playback if we want. But we're not going to because that's too complicated. That's what we can do. We'll take it straight out of the computer into the other device. The Tuesdays, Blues Days, Jam in April. What do you think? Now, here's the cool thing. Any of these tracks I put out there, guess what, people? Guess what, people? Guess what, guess what, guess what? Guess what? Any of these tracks I put out here, I'm inviting other people to jam along to. So we're going to have put a link into the guitar backing track website, Google page. Guitar backing track. Guitar backing track means yeah. So there'll be a full creation when this is done, but it's also going to be available. So I want to see what other people can do with some of these tracks I make. Huh? Yeah, huh? It'd be kind of cool. So here we go. Okay. Pausing. Oh yeah, that's the best way to do it. Well, I can do this one here and this one with this button. Just like this. Okay, here we go.